Hi guys, welcome all. Today we are going to see about a very fantastic money earning tips and tricks. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing just very simple. Refer one, earn commission. That's all. Either it is a digital product or it is a physical product. Mostly due to the current situation, refer digital product, so digital will be the more profit, and just refer one product, earn minimum of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 per day, very easily. Now how to earn this thousands of dollars per day? How? Very simple. Just go to this website called Digistore. Digistore 24.com. Digistore24.com or clickbank.com. Just go to here. There are three niche skills. The first one is health and fitness. Next is spirituality. Third one is personal development. Please focus on these three things. Now, in this store, just sign up and log in. Go to marketplace. You'll find lot of digital product here. Now I'm going to spirituality here. Spirituality. Just here it will rank by sales rank number 1, number 2, number 3, and go just to click promote now and enter your sign in using the username password of the Digistore, and you'll get the promote code. Use that affiliate link and promote the things. Go to the affiliate play page, just enter your digital strategy and you'll be getting plenty of things here. It's in affiliate support page, and you will get $52. That is commission. It will be 75% commission. You will be getting $23 per sale. Okay, and next product will be 75% commission. Now is a no, something and all monthly will be getting recurring monthly payment. Some products will be getting one time payment. Okay, so next is Clickbank. In Clickbank there are plenty of products, just click promote, log, sign up and promote, join the program and just promote. You'll be getting recurring commission, lot many commission, 90% of commission per sale. Okay, just click here promote, and join and get paid. The next is very famous is JVZoo. JVZoo also one of the top affiliate program here. In Zevizo also you'll be getting plenty of products, plenty of digital products here. You'll be getting plenty of products. Just register your account and enter your sign up and get earning. Just out. The final thing is you have to get the traffic. How to get the traffic? How to get the traffic? Just go to visit go this go to the link in the description or type copy blogspot.com and just click here. You'll be getting oh, the fine. You go to read more. Here in the last point, how you will get traffic. This is the revenue is very important, right? So how to get the traffic for the affiliate program? You'll be getting all details in the link in the description. You can just go and get to know. So this is the simple tricks and tips how to earn money without investing 1 rupee, $1, a single penny in thousands, thousands of dollars per day easily. Do you want to make money online? Work from home. Just go to the link in the description. Start your journey right now. The main thing is the everybody listening, everybody reading the articles how to make money online, everybody listening how to make money, everybody seeing the videos, everything. You're getting plenty of data, but the final thing is very important is take immediate action right now. First step is the success stone for the all. So take action right now. Or kindly subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you. Have a good time.